Alright, so today we're just doing some breakfast with some stuff we found on clearance. First, bacon was 80% off, so just got some store-bought bacon. Gonna do about half of it. Got all my burners on about medium, so just get this put down. While those are going, these were $1.17 for the pack, so why not? Got a couple of these put on too. Not everyone here likes these sausage links, so no need to cook them all. Bacon's done. Go ahead and get that pulled off. Not a big, overly crunchy bacon person. Turn these down to low on the right. Knock some of this grease out. Sausage is done. Put that on with our bacon. And just get these turned off. Those are done. All right, now build our burrito. We're a big fan of these Mission Carb Balance Low Carb shells. Use whatever you want. Throw that down and get warmed up for a second. Throw some of these eggs on. Strip of bacon down the center. Some random cheese we had. A little bit of guac never hurt that we had in the fridge. It's just store-bought pre-made junk. And some Texas Pete. Get our grill turned off here, and we'll give this a taste test. All right, this is going to be hot, so apologize if I'm going to burn myself on this, but let's give it a shot. For everything being bought off clearance, super cheap breakfast. That's it. I just wanted to make breakfast and I recorded it. So if you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Be sure to check out this other amazing video.